What's up guys, it's me Geek. Everyone know I love my Onyx Book Nova, but I'm going to do the review of a case. Yes, I'm going to do a case review for the Onyx Nova book. So this is the official case for the Onyx Book Nova. Nova. So here we go, let me open it. And then here we go. Okay. I think I need to buy one more, just in a case maybe in future it out of stock. Because I really love my Onyx Book Nova. I mean, I just say I love my Onyx Book Nova so much. I cannot tell you how much I love my Onyx Book Nova. Okay, here we go. The case is quite good. I mean, electronic cost you like 30-35 bucks. It have a pen, but you cannot use a. I think this pen is for upcoming for the Nova books, the Onyx Book Nova Pro. Or the Onyx Book Nova Note, something like that, which come with a stylus. My review, all of the videos apply to some. Only that one have which means that you can use a vacuum stylus like this one, but this stylus do not work. That is a huge difference. Okay, let me put it inside. Can you see or not? Okay. Okay. So yeah, everything is like fit. I mean, the case really look awesome, to be honest with you. The case is really very much awesome. I mean, open like this. Okay, awesome. Let me change the mode. The video is playing, I know that. Yeah, I mean, it's good for reading, to be honest with you. The case is awesome. Literally, the case is awesome. The case is a must buy. I mean, when I say the case is a must buy, then I say the case is a must buy. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and buy.